The current owners have spent the last 12 months tastefully renovating this home to complement the floor plan, which has been set perfectly around the views across the Cut golf course, which give an endless sense of space. From flooring and painting to kitchens and bathrooms, this home presents like new. Demonstrating open plan living featuring raked ceilings, which allow natural light to flood the room. The kitchen, complete with brand new appliances, plus ample bench space and cabinetry, will impress even the most experienced of chefs. Four large bedrooms are on offer, where you will instantly notice the large master suite privately placed with its massive walk-in robe and luxury finished ensuite bathroom. Double sliding doors and the continuation of the raked ceilings flow seamlessly outside, which is both peaceful and private. Established lawns surround the composite decked alfresco, while you can look out across the 5th fairway of the Cut golf course. The home itself is just a stroll away from Pyramids Beach, 4 kilometers away from Falcon Shopping Centre and its eateries, and just 13 kilometers from Mandurah CBD. This location is both quiet and convenient, while the residence itself leaves nothing to do but bring your things and move in.